All right, welcome now to Breathworks, how to suspend your breath on the exhale. This is a little bit more challenging and I will guide you through this. This is the guided audio for suspending your breath on the exhale. Let's get right to it. I want you to sit up straight with a straight spine. I want you to close your eyes and just for a moment let your breath flow. Just let it flow. Now on your next exhale, I want you to completely exhale and pull the navel towards your spine at the end of your exhale and lock it there. And this will lift your rib cage a little bit, and I want you to use this lock of your navel to suspend your breath out. And then inhale. And again exhale. And at the end of the exhale, use your navel, pull it in towards your spine, lock it there, lift your rib cage, and hold your breath out. Suspend your breath on the exhale. And again, inhale. And we'll go a little slower on this because this takes some time. And exhale. Exhale completely. Pull the navel towards your spine, lock it there. Lift your rib cage. Relax your face. And inhale. And continue at your own pace, suspending your breath on the exhale, using the strength of your navel to locking in that suspension. And inhale at any point that you feel you need to inhale. There's no stress here. This is just to make you feel better and make you feel calmer. Continue. You're halfway through. And as you exhale and hold your breath out, I want you to start exploring that stillness. It's a very, very specific stillness. Try to find it. Stay relaxed and focused on your exhale and on your navel and creating a little lock there to suspend your breath on the exhale. And explore that stillness. Listen into yourself in that space. One minute to go. Keep on and keep up, expanding and exhaling and then suspending the breath on the inhale. Just a little longer. And inhale deeply. And exhale and relax your breath. Just let your breath flow now. Keep your eyes closed. And with a little bit of practice, I want you to start internalizing that stillness, that still point that you've started to expand on. It's a very, very, very powerful place, actually. So explore how you feel. How's your body feel? If it's tense, then keep on relaxing a little bit into it. Let your breath flow. And open your eyes. Hello, welcome back. It's so good to have you. And I want to congratulate you, first of all, that you're sticking with this and you're trying this out and you're exploring this, and it's super powerful. Generally speaking, the holding your exhale is also part of more advanced meditations, and it's an advanced technique in itself, of course. It requires a little bit of management and pieces that you have to take care of, and it's just a matter of practice to get deeper into it. This in itself is a basic and very self-contained meditation. You could just do this for days and weeks and really connect with a still spot, if that's something that's maybe missing in your life. If there's too much confusion and noise around you, this is a great meditation to find and sort of cultivate your inner quiet and your inner still. And yeah, so looking forward to having you try this out. Similar to the suspending your breath on the inhale, start small. Start with a 3-minute one that we just did. You can listen to that over and over again. And just start small, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It's all you need. This is one thing why I fell in love with these practices, that you don't need to do these for days and hours. They just work right away. So thank you so much, and we'll move on to the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.